Hi everyone, how are you? How are you? Okay, today is again solution and colligative properties. Solution and colligative properties. First, last class I just completed up to molarity, molarity of mixing and molarity of dilution. I just completed. Today we'll start from again some questions which are related with molarity. Then we'll go for the group B concentration term. We all know that group B concentration term, which is temperature independent term. So write down the chapter name, which is solutions and colligative property. Solutions and colligative property. Now solutions and colligative property. Today we'll start from just a minute. Today we'll give you first last class I just completed. What is last class? Last class I just completed molarity. Molarity equals to number of moles, volume in liter. First formula for molarity. Second formula for molarity, molarity of mixing M1B, molarity of dilution M1B1 equals to M2B2. And third formula I just completed resultant molarity, which is equals to M1B1 plus M2B2. If three solutions are there, then we can write M3V3, and this one is V1, V2 plus V3. Last class I just completed up to that part. Okay, solutions and colligative property stuff. Last class I just completed. Now today I am giving you some questions. Try to solve it regarding this part. First question is 100 ml 2 molar HCl is mixed with 200 ml 3 molar HCl. Now calculate the resultant molarity. Calculate resultant molarity. Solve it. Giving you some time quickly. Done. This one is very easy questions. Now in this case, resultant molarity 100 ml. What is given your question? 100 ml 2 molar, which is mixed with 200 ml 3 molar HCl. Now resultant molarity formula, we know that M1 V1. Here two solutions are there, so just write M1 V1 plus M2 V2, V1 plus V2. Now M1 value is 2, V1 is 100, this value is 3, this value is 200, V2. Total volume is 100 plus 200, that means 300. So can I write 200 plus 600 by 300? So 8 by 3, basically 8 by 3 means 2.66. This will be the molarity. Okay, similar type of questions I'm giving you next. Similar type of question. Next question is also 100 ml 2 molar HCl is mixed with 300 ml, or just write down 200 ml 3 molar HCl and diluted up to 1 liter. Calculate resultant molarity. Okay, solve it. Now in this case, 100 ml 2 molar, 200 ml 3 molar, diluted up to 1 liter. That means this is the question of molarity of mixing, after mixing molarity of dilution. So what will be the final volume? Final volume is 1 liter. So what will be the resultant molarity? If you write down resultant molarity, formula is same. Final volume is 1000. Okay. So this one is 800 by 1000. That means 4 by 5. So resultant molarity is 0.88. Is it clear? Do you have any doubt regarding this part? Tell me. Okay. Now moving to the third one. Third question. 100 ml, 0.2 molar FeCl3 mixed with 200 ml, 0.2 molar NaCO. Okay. So find out the molarity of Cl minus. That means concentration of Cl minus you have to find out ions in the resulting mixture. Okay. So 100 ml 0.2 molar FeCl3, 200 ml 0.2 molar NaCO mixed each other. You have to calculate, find out the resultant molarity of Cl minus. Now, how can you solve this one? How can you solve this one? Giving you some time, quickly try to solve it. Then we will try to solve it. Done? Okay. Look, what is the formula? Molarity equals to number of moles volume in liter. So can I write number of moles, which is equals to molarity into volume? Okay. Now if you write down FeCl3 gas, FeCl3 after dissociation it gives Fe3 plus 3Cl minus. So from here we can write 1 mole FeCl3. It gives 3 mole of Cl minus. Okay. Now here 100 ml 0.2 molar. What is given? 100 ml and 0.2 molar. So from here we can write 100 ml 0.2 means what will be the millimoles if you calculate from here. What will be the millimoles? Millimoles of FeCl3 if you find. What is this one? 100 into 0.2, that means 20. So 1 mole FeCl3 it gives 3 moles of Cl minus, 20 millimole of FeCl3. What it get? It gives 60 millimoles of 3 into 20, 60 millimoles of Cl minus. Okay. Now go for NaCl. Calculate the NaCl stuff also. Now NaCl, we all know that if you go for the NaCl part, for NaCl after dissociation, it gives Na plus Cl minus. You can easily write. Now look, from here we can write 1 mole NaCl. It gives 1 mole of Cl minus. You can easily write this one. And how many millimoles given here? If you write down the millimole stuff of NaCl, 200 into 0.2. So millimoles of NaCl. Which is 200 into 0.2, that means 40. Okay. So from here we can write 40 millimoles of NaCl. It gives 40 mole of Cl minus. Now what will be the total millimoles? Total millimoles of Cl minus, which is equals to 60 plus 40. That means 100 millimoles. Okay. Now what is molarity of Cl minus? Molarity of Cl minus, what will be the molarity? Molarity is basically number of moles of Cl minus volume. Okay. Now number of moles is basically 100. What will be the total volume? If you calculate the total volume is 100 plus 200, that means 300. So 100 divided by 300. So 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 0.33. That will be the resultant molarity. Any doubt regarding this question? This will be the little bit tricky questions. You can say JEE Mains level questions. Any doubt? So that is the end of molarity. Now one thing only left. If the density term is given. Okay, now molarity and density. There is a formula regarding molarity and density. Now, what is the formula of molarity and density? If you write down the formula stuff only, molarity equals to molarity equals to 10 into D into X divided by M of solid. Now, what is the meaning of this one? Now, M represent molarity, D represent density of solution, X represent weight by weight percent, M of solute, which represent molar mass of solute. Okay, which represent molar mass of solute. Any doubts regarding this part? Do you have any doubt? So M represent molarity, D represent density of solution, X is weight by weight percent. Weight by weight percent term till not completed will do. Okay, after completing of weight by weight percent, will give you some question which is related with this one. Okay, this formula. Now we are moving to next part. Next part is a group B. Group B concentration term. Today I will complete all the concentration terms. From next class we will start purely solution chapter, whatever present in your class 2. Okay. So write down next part, which is group B. Weight by group B concentration term, which is temperature independent term. Okay. First, percent by mass, or you can write weight by weight percent. Now, what is the meaning of weight by weight percent? What is the meaning of this one? We can write weight by weight percent, which represent, I already told you the upper one is always solute, weight of solute, and the lower one is always solution, nothing else. Okay, so solute by solution. Is it clear? Okay, so giving you just one example. Example is suppose 20 weight by weight percent NaOH. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? We can write 20 gram of NaOH dissolving 100 gram of solution. So weight of NaOH, which is solute, which is 20 gram. Weight of solution, which is 100 gram. Now weight of solvent, which is 100 minus 20, that means 80 gram. Is it clear? Okay, so weight by weight percent means basically this one. And always remember weight of, why I am getting this one? Because we all know that weight of solution, which is equals to weight of solute plus weight of solvent. Okay, please take a note this one, all the stuff. Okay, any doubts regarding this one? Tell me. Okay, okay, giving you one question regarding this part, try to solve it. 5 moles of glucose. What is glucose? C6H12O6. Remember the molar mass of glucose, which is important, which is 180. Okay, are dissolved in 2 liters of water. Now, density of solution, which is given, density of resulting solution. Which is given 1.5 gram per ml. Then calculate. Weight by volume percentage. First question. Second one is weight by weight percentage. Third one is molarity. Solve it. Quickly try to solve it. This one. Done. Now look. What is given? Molar mass 5 moles. Number of moles is given. Molar mass is given. Okay. Molar mass is given. Number of moles is also given. So from here we can write. Just write down first. Molar mass, which is 180. Now we all know that number of moles given mass by molar mass. This formula you all know that. If you find out the moles, that means moles is given, molar mass is given, you have to find the given mass or weight of glucose. Weight of glucose, can I write? Number of moles into molar mass of glucose, M of glucose, number of moles which is given 5, this value is 180. After getting calculation, it becomes 9. Okay. Now what you have to find? Weight by volume percent and weight by weight percent. Now volume of solution which is given 2 liters. So if you write down this one, first question, weight by volume percent. What is the weight by volume percent? Means weight of glucose, volume of solution into 100. Now what is weight of glucose? Weight of glucose 900, volume of solution 2 liter means 2000 ml into 100. Just go for calculation. You get 45%. That is the answer of first question. Next one, what you have to calculate? Weight by weight percent. Okay, weight by weight percent. Now before taking that, we have to find weight of solution. How can you find weight of solution? Weight of solution you can find from how? We all know that volume of solution into density of solution. Now volume of solution, what is given? 200 ml. Density, what is density? Density, if you check your question, density is given 1.5 gram per ml. Okay, so just multiply it by 1.5. After getting calculation, it becomes 3 gram. Okay, this is the weight of solution. And what is the weight of solute? That is 900 gram. Now what is weight by weight percent? We all know that weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. Now weight of solute which is 900, weight of solution which is 3000 into 100. Now if you calculate this one, just give me 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, 9. So after getting calculation, what you get? You get 30. Again, I am telling this one. Look, 900 by 3000 into 100. Okay, so 30%. And third part, what you have to find? You have to find the molarity. What is the formula for molarity? Molarity is number of moles. What is the molarity? Number of moles of solute, which is given 5, by volume of solution in liters. 5 by 2, that means 2.5. That is about molarity. Any doubt regarding this part? Tell me. Do you have any doubt? So that is the end of weight by weight percent. Next we are moving to first part, weight by weight percent completed. Next we are moving to mole fraction, which is also an important term. Okay, mole fraction. Mole fraction which is considered as a x. Okay, mole fraction which is considered as a x. Now what is mole fraction? If you write down the definition, ratio of number of moles of solute, moles of substance, or moles of solute, whatever you can write, the total number of okay. Now if you write down substance, mole fraction of substance, this one, which is equals to number of moles of substance by total number of moles. Okay, mole fraction of substance which is equals to number of moles of substance by n total. N total represent total number of moles. Is it clear? Now next part. If solute and solvent is present, okay, in a solution, so what is the mole fraction of solute? We can write number of moles of solute divided by n total. Now n total is basically, can I write mole fraction of number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Similarly, if you write x of solvent, that means mole fraction of solvent, you can easily write the upper part becomes solvent, the lower part is always n total which represents solute plus solvent. Okay. Now if you write down x of solute, that means mole fraction of solute, mole fraction of solvent, which is equals to, if you write down this one, solute plus solvent, moles of solvent plus moles of solvent, moles of solute plus moles of solvent. After getting calculation, moles of solute plus moles of solvent, so it becomes basically 1. So always remember addition of two or more than two components, whatever component present in a solution, mole fraction or sum of mole fraction of all the component in a solution becomes 1. Okay, so just write down this point, sum of mole fraction of all the components present in a solution always taken as unity. Is it clear? Any doubt? Suppose this one is a container. In this container, 3 substances are there: A, B, C. Now, what is mole fraction of A? We can write number of moles of A divided by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B plus number of moles of C. Mole fraction of B, which is basically number of moles of B divided by number of moles of A, B plus C. Mole fraction of C, which is equals to number of moles of C divided by number of moles of A, number of moles of B plus number of moles of C, and XA plus XB plus XC, which is equals to 1. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? Tell me. Do you have any doubt? Okay. Okay. Giving you two questions regarding this mole fraction stuff. Then we are moving to molality. The first question is, and another thing, just remember, maximum value of mole fraction always 1, and always mole fraction value. Mole fraction value 1 means only one particular substance present. Okay. Mole fraction 0 can never possible. So X value always lies between 0 to 1. This value is always greater than 0, always less than 1. Okay. Mole fraction 1 means pure solvent. Okay. Pure solvent only present. Only one substance present. Okay. So giving you one question, try to solve it. 30 gram of urea. What is urea? Again, last class I already mentioned CONH2O2. Dissolve it. 45 gram of H2O. Now determine first weight by weight percent. Second, mole fraction of urea and mole fraction of water. Okay. Try to solve it. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Next, moving to this solution of this part. How can you solve this one? Now, first question, weight by weight percent. What is the meaning of this one? Weight of solute, which is basically weight of urea, divided by weight of solution. Weight of solution means weight of urea plus weight of water. Now, this value is 30. This one is a 30 plus 45. Okay. And percentage is given means 100. You have to multiply it. So multiplied by 100. So 30 by 75 into 100. So can I write this value becomes 40%? Is it clear? Any doubt? So weight by weight percent, which is basically 40%. Then you have to solve X of urea and X of water. X of urea means mole fraction of urea, mole fraction of water. Now mole fraction of urea, which is, we can write number of moles of urea divided by number of moles of urea plus water. Urea, what will be the molar mass of urea? If you write down the molar mass of this one, molar mass, if you calculate that means molar mass, which is 60. So number of moles of urea, what you can write? 45 gram dissolve. So 45 by 60. This one is a 45 by 60. And what is the weight of water? 30 by 60. Sorry, there is a mistake. 30 gram is a given mass for urea, which is given 30, and given mass for water, which is given 45. And what is the molar mass of water? 18. So can I write 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 2? So after getting calculations, 1 by 2, 6 by 2. So this becomes 1 by 6. So this is mole fraction of urea. Mole fraction of water, what you can write? 1 minus mole fraction of urea. 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? This question is clear for all. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 2, an aqueous solution. Which contains 28 weight by weight percent of KOH. Okay. Now, if density is given, density of solution which is 1.25 gram per ml. Okay. Now what you have to calculate? Calculate x of KOH. Second, you have to solve weight by weight volume percent. Third, you have to solve molarity. Solve it quickly. Quickly solve it. Done. Now look, how can you solve? First, you have to solve mole fraction of KOH. How can you find out? 28 weight by weight percent means weight of KOH is given 28. What is the molar mass of KOH? Molar mass of KOH, which is 56. If you find the molar mass of KOH is 39. 16 plus 1, that means 56. Okay. Now divided by 28 by 56. Now if 28 weight by weight percent of KOH means weight of KOH which is given 28, weight of water which is 100 minus 28, that means 72. So from here we can write 72 by 18. So after getting calculation, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 4. So this becomes 1 by 9. Okay. Any doubt regarding this part? So this is about mole fraction of KOH. Next we are moving to weight by volume percent. Okay. Now density of solution is given, weight of solution is given. Weight is 100 gram. Density is given 1.25 gram per ml. Okay. And we all know that density equals to weight by volume. So volume equals to, can I write weight by density? This stuff we can write. Any doubt regarding this part? This stuff is clear. So density equals to, we can write density equals to mass by volume or weight by volume, whatever you can write. So volume equals to weight by density. So after getting calculations, this value becomes 80. Okay. So weight of KOH, which is 28, 80 into 100. So this value becomes 35%. Next, you have to calculate molarity. What is the molarity? Volume of solution, which is 80 ml. ml you have to convert it to liter. So third question, answer of third one, which is molarity. Molarity is number of moles of KOH. Volume of solution in liter. Volume is given 80 ml converted to liter. This is 28 by 56. After getting calculation, 1 by 2 divided by 80 by 100. So go for calculation. Okay. Sorry, 8, not 80. This one is the 8. So becomes 25 by 4. That means 6.25. That is about molarity. Any doubt regarding this part? Do you have any doubt? This stuff is clear. So that is about weight by weight percent, mole fractions. And one question I am giving in this case, density term. I already told you molarity and density. There is a formula. M equals to 10 into D into X by M of solute. Okay, application of this one. Try to solve it. Calculate molarity of 70 weight by weight percent NaOH solution. But density of solution, which is given 1.2 gram per kg. Now what is the formula? Sorry. Now try to solve it. Just give me some seconds. It will take maximum 10 seconds. Try to solve it. Done. Now formula, what is the formula? Molarity equals to 10 into D into X, M of solute. Density is 1.2. X value is given 70. What is the molar mass of NaOH? If you calculate, this value becomes 40. Okay. So after getting calculation, this one is a 21. So molarity becomes 21. Any doubt regarding this part? Tell me. If you have any doubt, this stuff is clear. And last part, what is left? That is the molality. Molarity completed, all the stuff completed, only the molality and ppm, parts per million. What is the important term? That's okay. So next term, just write down third one, which is molality. In short, small m, molality can consider as a molal solution. Now, what do you mean by molality? If you write down the molarity, definitions of molarity, if you write down, molality is a particular case. The upper part is same, number of moles of solute. Look, up to that part, the lower one is solution, but in this case, this one is solvent. Mass of solvent in case. Remember this part, only one term, which is molality. In molality case, the lower part, which is basically solvent. But others, all the stuff. If you go for weight by weight, weight by volume, volume by volume, all the cases, the lower part is always solution. In this case, always solvent. Remember this one. Okay. Now next, just giving you one example, or whatever you can say. Example is, suppose 4 ml solution, 4 ml of NaOH is given, or 4 gram of NaOH is given. 4 gram of NaOH is taken in 90 ml of water. Okay. Now you have to calculate molality. How can you find out? Number of moles of NaOH. Given mass by molar mass. Given mass is 4 gram. Molar mass of NaOH is 40. That means 0.1. Okay. And this one is given volume of water, which is 90 ml. Now density of water, which is taken as a 1. Now what is the mass of water? Mass of water, which is volume of water into density of water, that means 90 gram. Okay. Now you have to calculate molality. Molality equals to number of moles by mass of water. 90 gram, you have to convert it to kg. That means 90 by 1000. Now after getting calculation, it becomes 100 by 90. So 10 by 9. That is about molality. Any doubt? Do you have any doubt regarding this part? Do you have any doubt regarding this part? Okay. Now there are two relations, two formulas are there. In this case, how to directly convert molality to molarity. Okay. There are two relations are there. First relation or first equation you can write. First equation is molality, which is equals to 1000 into x. 100 minus x, m of solute. That is the first part. In this case, m represents molality of solution. X, which is weight by weight percent. M of solute, which is molar mass of solute. Okay, this is the first formula. Second formula, second important formula, that is M equals to M, capital M represent molarity. This small m represent molality. M of solution. Okay, this is the second formula. Okay, where M is basically molarity of solution. D represent density of solution. M solute represent molar mass of solution. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt regarding this part? Tell me. Do you have any doubt? Okay, giving you two questions, try to solve it. First question: a solution contains 38 weight by weight percent NaOH. Calculate the molarity of solution. Okay, try to solve it. Done. Now, how can you solve this one? 38 weight by weight percent. Okay, so can I write from here mass of solution, which is 100 gram, mass of NaOH, which is 38 gram, mass of solvent, which is 100 minus 38. That means to calculate this becomes 62 gram. Now, what is the molality? Molality equals to given mass by molar mass divided by mass of solvent, 62 gram, which is converted to kg. So basically, after getting calculation, if you calculate 38 by 40,000 by 62, after getting calculation, this value becomes near and equals to 15 points. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Giving you last question for today. Try to solve it. So just give me a minute. Sorry. Okay, next part. Okay, next question, just write down the density of 3 molar NaOH. Solution which is 1.25 gram per ml. Okay, now calculate. First part, amount of NaOH. Present in 100 gram solution. First question. And second one is molarity of solution. Solve it. Done. Now, what is given? Density is given this one, molarity is given this one. So from here we can write molarity, the formula, molarity equals to 10 into D into X, M of solute. Now molarity is given, what is the value of molarity? 3, density is given, NaOH is given, molar mass you can easily find out. you have to calculate only the X value. Amount of NaOH dissolved means amount of NaOH present means you have to calculate weight by weight percent, which is X, where X is basically weight by weight percent, nothing else. So just find out this value is 3, this one is a 10, 1.25 into X 40. So can I write X equals to 3 into 40, 1.25 by 10. Okay. So, okay, after getting calculation, this value is 12, 1.25. That value is, I think, 9.6. So weight by weight percent, which is 9.6. Now next question is molarity of solution. This is about the first question, answer of the first one. Now molarity of solution, just put the formula. We all know that molality, sorry, this one is not a molarity, molality. Now just go for the formula. Molarity already given. Molality is basically M. Formula, what is the formula? M equals to, we can write, if you use this formula, that means this one. X value is given, M of solute, you know, just use this formula, nothing else. So 1000 into 9.6, X value is this one, 100 minus 9.6, M of solute, what is the M of solute? That is 4. Is it clear? After getting calculation, this value becomes 9600 divided by 3616, 2.655. Any doubt? This is about the molality of solution. Any doubt? So that is the end of molality. Next class we will do ppm. After that we will start the solution which are mainly present in class 12 part. Any doubt regarding this part? Okay, tell me and try to do this type of questions. Okay, bye. Take care for today.
When you strive for excellence, you can't settle for mediocrity. So to succeed in any competitive exams, you need to have an expert mentor, best designed syllabus, test materials, and someone who cares for your career just like you. Welcome to Regis, where our programs are designed and executed by the IITians. Enroll your board now because we believe in nothing but the best.